Good afternoon, folks. Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a recent arrival here on the lot, a 2022 Imagine 2600 RB. Beautiful looks on the outside on these Imagine trailers. Nice fiberglass walls. We'll take a look at the nice pass-through storage and the convenience station that we've got here. Up underneath there, you'll see your solar charge controller. This unit is equipped with a solar panel on the roof as well. You've got a battery disconnect, water station, a couple plugs there, and a monitor for your solar power input. So all kinds of great options and convenience features in there. Speaking of convenience, you've got a power tongue jack on the A-frame on this one, so nice and easy to get on and off the truck when you get to where you're going. Get yourself all nice and set up, and there's another look at that pass-through storage, all kinds of space, motion sensor lighting, and just all kinds of room to keep some stuff while you're traveling. Take a look at that nice big awning, runs pretty well the entire length of the trailer, which is absolutely fantastic. Get you a nice outdoor space, get you covered. You see the step above steps, nice and convenient to get in to the unit without that wobbly feeling that you get when you have the fold-out steps. So as soon as you walk in, you see that nice big slide on the off-cam side. Freestanding dinette on this one. Fold-out love seat that will convert into a bed. Look at all this floor space too that you've got. Just a tremendous amount of space. And then with this rear bathroom that we're going to take a look at in just a moment, it really opens up a large space in the back end of the trailer as well. Coming around and take a look at the entertainment center, all kinds of storage. TV built into this one, your stereo system's in behind that smoke glass there. 12-volt fridge comes standard on this unit and will help. The solar charge controller, that is, the solar equipped rooftop, will help keep that fridge running for you. Fury and cooktop and range. Huge storage drawer underneath. A couple drawers there to the left. High-rise faucet over top of the barn-style sink. You can see the roller top on top of there that lets you dry your dishes, gives you a spot to set a few things down. And if you need a little bit of extra counter space, you do have a fold-out counter. Premium wood core cabinet doors on this unit with that nice chrome inlay. Really nice, high-quality feel to the cabinetry here in the Imagine line. And of course, you've got your microwave over top to finish off your appliances. Let's take a walk towards the back here and check out this nice big bathroom area that you've got on the sliding barn door. Really just all kinds of space in there. Counter space is excellent. Stainless steel sink, side-by-side medicine cabinet. Nice big window to keep things fresh in here. Got a spot there for your linens. Get those rolled up and tucked in out of the way so you always have the towels that you need right nearby, and some great storage underneath the sink as well. Foot flush Dometic porcelain toilet and a nice big shower rounds out what is one of the nicest bathrooms I've seen in a trailer of this size. So from the bathroom looking out, again, you can see that floor space, all kinds of room in the trailer to get comfortable. Walking to the front of the unit, queen bedroom. You've got cabinets on either side, all kinds of space. Again, that premium wood core cabinetry repeats itself in here. You've got a padded headboard for your safety, a couple of lights. Those lights will switch on to blue or your traditional light if you want to be able to see, or if you want to not disturb the person next to you at night but still have a little bit of light. There is a blue light feature there as well. My favorite thing about these trailers, on either side of the bed there is a little port for a charging station. You've got your traditional plugs as well as USB ports, and a spot there to keep your phones or devices that you need to have handy by the bed, all plugged in, ready to run, ready to charge. Shirt closets again on either side, gives you all kinds of room. Keep your wardrobe with you while you're on the road. And you've got opposing windows to really set off a nice atmosphere in here and be able to get a little bit of a cross breeze. Sliding barn style door really, again, helps create that extra bit of floor space. And we love in the Grand Design, we've got the vertically mounted heating ducts there in the corner, so you don't have any grill, those metal grills on the floor that you may have stepped on before. Certainly a nice touch for Grand Design to have the solid floor and the vertically mounted heating ducts. So this has been a look at the 2022 Grand Design 2600 RB. Nice big rear bathroom, nice pitch ceiling to this unit. A couple nice features you really need to see in person to appreciate, but we love the Imagine line. Come on down here to Leisure Time Sales in Quispam, Sis. Our friends at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton would love to serve you as well with a great selection of RVs up at their new location. Come on down and see us. Get you ready to camp for spring. Tent sales this weekend. We hope to see you and get you into a trailer of your choice.